Today I'm going to show you how to add a link to your Google Classroom. First, we need to make sure that you're under the Classwork tab at the top of the page. From there, we're going to go to the Create tab and select Material. We need to add a title for the material that we are going to be adding. I'm going to be adding a link to the Reflex website, which is a website that allows students to practice fact fluency. In the description box, I'm going to be putting in the steps that students need to enter the site. First, they need to enter in their teacher's username. After that, they need to select our class. Then they will need to select their name. After, they need to enter their password and click Login. From there, they should be good to go. We need to select a topic for our material, and because this is a fact practice website, I'm going to select Fact Fluency. The next thing I need to do is include our link, so I'm going to go down to the link icon at the bottom of the page. After I click that, I'm prompted to add a link. I have the Reflex Math website pulled up to the side, so I'm going to copy this link by right-clicking and selecting Copy, heading back over to my Google Classroom, and pasting it where it says Link. From there, I can add the link. After I make sure that I have a title, the directions to enter the website, and my link added successfully along with the topic, I can select Post. To make sure that my work was saved, I can go down to my Fact Fluency spot and see that I have Reflex link and saved successfully.